Hello, I'm John Wright. It's another beautiful day here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and we're going to do a walkthrough on a 2025 Sea Ray 230 SPX outboard. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat is a full 26-foot overall, including the engine. It has a beam of 8 foot 6 inches and a dry weight of just under 4,700 pounds. Beginning here on the transom, this boat has the upgraded 250 horsepower V8 Mercury outboard. Very quiet, great torque, great fuel efficiency, all around a great performing motor. As you also see, we have SeaDeck across the swim platform. Gives you great traction as well as a great look. You have your ski tow bar here. As we step up into the cockpit, you'll notice we have onboard battery charger. We also have a flip-up backrest for when you're out anchored out. This boat has the stone interior, which is a great look with the Sea Ray blue hull. Underneath the sun pad, you've got table storage, room for your life jackets, your beach gear, anything you need to store away. In the cockpit, you've got your L-shaped seating. Your table mounts here, comes up. There's cooler storage under the stern seat. Moving up towards the helm, you see you've got dual captain's chairs, both port and starboard. Simrad display, shows all your boat data as well as your chart, sonar, etc. Fusion Bluetooth stereo, Mercury digital throttle with active trim. Just a very clean, nicely appointed dash area. Over on the port side, we have a pump out head, also a great place for storage when you need to put the things away. You have a bow walk-through door, so on those chilly days, you can close the windshield, close the door, keep the air moving over the boat. We also have the bimini top, which is great for sun coverage, and it also adds versatility. If you're in an area with low bridges, or if you're in a dry storage rack that has a height requirement, it's perfect for that. Moving up to the bow area, you have nice lounge seating on both sides. You also have Fusion stereo speakers in the bow. All the way forward, you have your anchor locker with your tie-off cleat, so when you pull out to the beach, very clean and easy, no trip hazard up in the bow area. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.